early life. Born Robert Nesta Marley on February 6, 1945 in 9 Mile, Jamaica, Bob Marley was the son of Norval Sinclair Marley, a white Englishman, and Cedella Booker, a black Jamaican teenager. His mixed heritage led to social rejection, but his mother's strong influence and his grandfather Omaria Malcolm's nurturing instilled in him a love for music. After his father abandoned them, Bob and his mother moved to Kingston's Trenchtown slum, where he befriended Neville "Bunny" Livingston and formed a lifelong bond with music. Music career. Marley's music journey began with ska and rocksteady, eventually evolving into reggae. He formed the Wailers with Bunny Wailer and Peter Tosh, and they gained popularity in Jamaica. After signing with Island Records, Marley introduced his signature reggae sound to the world, releasing iconic albums like Catch a Fire and Burnin' in 1973. The Wailers disbanded in 1974, but Marley continued as Bob Marley and the Wailers, releasing hit albums like Natty Dread and Rastaman Vibration. Rise to fame. Marley's breakthrough came in 1975 with the live version of No Woman, No Cry. He became an international sensation, spreading messages of love, unity, and social justice through his music. His 1976 album, Rastaman Vibration, reached the top 50 of the Billboard Soul charts. Marley's music addressed Jamaican politics, apartheid, and human rights, cementing his status as a global symbol of resistance and freedom. Assassination Attempt and later life. On December 3, 1976, Marley survived an assassination attempt at his home, believed to be politically motivated. He fled to London, where he recorded Exodus and Kaya. Marley returned to Jamaica in 1978 and performed at the One Love Peace concert, uniting rival politicians Michael Manley and Edward Seaga on stage. This moment showcased his commitment to peace and unity. Legacy. Bob Marley passed away on May 11, 1981, at 36 due to cancer. His legacy endures through his music, message, and impact on popular culture. He's a global icon, symbolizing Jamaican identity and resistance against oppression. Marley was posthumously inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1994 and received the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award in 2001. Impact. Marley's influence extends beyond music squared, social justice. His music addressed apartheid, human rights, and social inequality. Cultural icon. Marley represents Jamaican culture and identity worldwide. Reggae pioneer. He popularized reggae globally, paving the way for future generations. Inspirational figure. Marley's message of love, unity, and resistance continues to inspire people worldwide.